Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing with your Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about books. Do all of your books fit on the bookshelf, or do you have books stacked up here and there? Go through your books and at least see if there are any books that you can donate, just so that you have enough space on your bookshelf for the books that you really love and want to read again. Then organize them by genre, author, or if you're into rainbow colors, you could even arrange them in rainbow color. I like the author and genre idea the best, but you do what works for you. Some may even organize them in alphabetical order, which would be by author. Now that I'm thinking about it. All right, guys, that is it for our Tip Tuesday. We'll see you on the next one.